autonomous cars based on 5G technology have started their on-road testing in Lanzhou New Area, northwest China's Gansu province.
Hello everyone, I'm Wang Zixuan with Xinhua News Agency. Now I'm in northwest China's Lanzhou New Area. Recently, here comes 4 autonomous cars based on the 5th generation technology. This kind of car has no accelerator or brake. They don't even need a driver.
The self-driving cars, various in size, are all installed with intelligent detection systems. But to ensure road safety during the test, security officers are in the vehicles to monitor the operation. The smart economy is booming in China, with smart transportation being an important part of it. Gansu province, with Lanzhou as the capital, has been promoting the development of 5G-related industries. According to the local government, the province plans to build more than 30,000 5G base stations by the end of 2022 to cover all prefectures and cities in the region.